This cannot be ignored.
Yes, we're doing this.
It's the end. Say goodbye.
Is this supposed to be scary?
Breathe deeply. Close your eyes. Keep the monsters from breathing.
I just want to get out of here.
We just want to leave.
Please don't hurt me.
Do you want to see my face?